Hello, day 43. Okay, let's go. So, where were we yesterday? Shit. Fuck, I should have prepared this better. Sorry. Here. So, there needs to be a check when we go from multi-line to one line to update top, bottom, x accordingly. When does this happen? This happens when we transition from a multi-line to one line. The new x coordinate is less than the original. That makes sense. I updated it and it works for either going up or going down. For either going up or going down. This is because the rendering is off by 1 and we need to fix this. Work. Does. And I see. Okay. So I should investigate if it's the indexes or the rendering. It's like both, no? Because, for example, if we have this, right? Like there's not a... Is that... Top x is 60, top y is 27, bottom x is 72, bottom y is 27. Like it shouldn't. It's both. It's both an indexing and a rendering problem, right? Well, it's mainly an indexing problem and, well, look at my posture, what the fuck? And we try to like hack around it by like adding stuff to the rendering logic, right? But it's wrong. We don't want to do that. That's why like this one, it works here. What do we do? Wait. That works. So with commented, shit. Commented going down works. Commented going up works. And if we were to go down, extra by 1, right? So this is okay. So okay, so currently we have, instead of the top x and bottom x being like the actual top and the actual bottom is just the top, and then we just assume that we add 12, right? -1 for in visual mode with absolute bottom minus top plus width. We shouldn't have to do that, right? We should always be freaking, where is it? Visual mode. What? Okay, so look here. Top X is 84, bottom X is 84. It's not true. Top X is 72, bottom X is 84. Okay, that is true. So when we go over, top X should be 72 and bottom X should be 96. Yet top X gets added 12, not bottom X. That's wrong. It's no bueno. So what are we pressing? What buttons are we pressing here? V, L. L is going right. So visual update, none. True, true is going right. I'm pretty sure, yeah. So none, we can just get that if going right is not equal to none here. If going right is equal to true and self.visual bottom y is equal to self.visual top y, and scroll A. Okay, nice. The new x coordinate is greater than the bottom. Simple way. And '84. Nah. Plus editor dot text. Okay, nice. Nice. Right. Bro, fucking hell, bro. Okay. So bottom line, I is not here. Middle line, top line, last line. No, just comment it out for now. Okay. Whoa. What the heck? So what is it? Boy. Okay. Minus dot. What? I'm actually just doing straight bullshit right now. So what am I trying to do? I am trying to currently, when we have all of these indexes of stuff for visual mode, it's been wrong like this whole time, right? Because we've needed to add our own logic in the rendering section of things, where we build like the surfaces that we want to like highlight or blit on the screen, right? And we shouldn't do that because it's been increasing complexity that I've been dealing with for like 2 fucking weeks now because I'm an idiot. But so what I'm trying to do right now is trying to get all, like, it should start at the start and then the end should be the end, right? I'm trying to get that all figured out in the editing side of things. So in order to know if that has worked or not, we need to make sure that in the rendering part, so let's just start, it starts here. That's where visual mode is. With record line length is the length of line minus 5. Yeah. because it's at the top, we don't have to, or, I don't know, maybe this seems wrong here. Seems wrong, because, wait, so line length is the length of the line minus 5, because we have those 5 spaces for the line numbers and shit like that. What if there's nothing in the first line? Like, wouldn't that break it? Test text. That would. So that line, this one. Because what if how do people code and not like get distracted in their own code? For all other lines, okay. Bottom x is 216. 216 divided by 12, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5, 17. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. So it would be at the end, right? So yeah. Now, the stuff from before isn't working anymore. That's not working. So, shoot. Okay. So, okay. Next time, I have changed the logic for getting the correct indices in the editor file by making it start at the actual start and at the actual end. For example, if we start on the first character, top x 16, dot x equals 72. Now that we have this, we need to manually test to see what's going on in the editor as we debug problem 2. Once we know that, we can make the appropriate logic changes, like 2 days ago, to make both going up, down, work and not disappear. not let highlight disappear. Awesome. Well, bye-bye. Thank you.